All right, Seema, you're on the spotlight. You can start.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Good morning, all of you, and Happy New Year to you all.
Good
How are you all?
morning.
Good
Good
morning,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Happy
good
New
Same,
Year.
ma'am.
morning. Happy New
Super
Year.
fine.
Good morning,
Happy New
Happy
Seema.
New
Year.
Year,
Happy New
ma'am.
Year.
Today, in this session, we will learn about the basic features of Google Chrome, and we will also see the how to customize the Google Chrome and how to do the setting part. But let me share my screen first, so I can tell you all about this. 1 minute. Right now, my screen is visible to you all.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
yes.
It's visible.
Yeah, okay, fine. Thank you. So on daily basis, we use Google Chrome. Suppose if you have a child, everyone, we are here mother, so all of us as a child. And if they are saying and asking us, Mama, daily you are using Google Chrome, but can you tell me what is Google Chrome? So the question arises, we should also know what is Google Chrome. So I have opened the screen of Google Chrome. Okay. Can anyone tell me what is Google Chrome is all about? How we can define the Google Chrome?
I think it's a browsing center.
Browse.
Yeah, you are right. But in a simple language, we can say it's a browser. It's a web browser, and uh, it's a software through which we can access any website, right? And in very layman language, we can say, yeah, this is the platform where we can surf and search any website. So there are so many popular web browser like Google Chrome. Google Chrome is one a very famous web browser, and another one is Mozilla Firefox,
Mozilla.
Safari, and Microsoft Edge also. Earlier, Microsoft Edge was known as Internet Explorer, but right now its name has changed to Microsoft Edge. So this is all about web browser actually, the Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a web browser, and in simple language, this is the platform where we can search the website. Now, after that, question arises: what is website? Again, we have to know what is website actually. So, if you want to tell me what is website, you are welcome. Please, anyone want to tell what is website?
It's a
Anyone?
page, it's a web page for a topic or for a content if you're looking.
Yeah, you are right. But we have a definition, a proper definition for that. Website is a collection of web pages and hosted on the web server and accessed via URL. So now we are going to learn all these important words like what is website, what are the web pages, and what are the web server, and what are URL. So website in simple language, in layman language, we can say website is like a book. In web world, the website is like a book. I'm going to show you all one website. Suppose this is the website of National Geography. Is it clear to you all? Just are you able to see my screen right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the website of National Geography. So this is the website. It means this is a book in the web world. And here you can, I'm just scrolling down. Here you can say there are different pages. So these are the pages of our book. So in web world, book is known as website and different pages known as web
Web
pages.
pages.
Web pages.
Right?
Okay.
Right? There are basically two types of website. Number one is static website and number two is dynamic website. In static website, the contents is fixed. It cannot be changed according to the user input. User के input के according कभी भी content change नहीं होगा in the case of static website. Like National Geography is a static website. Wikipedia, these are some informational website are known as static website. Here, if we are the user, if we want to put something, we want to write something, according to our input, the content cannot be changed. It will be fixed always. So example of static website are informational site like National Geography and Wikipedia, like that. Okay. Now dynamic website. In dynamic website, I want to show you all dynamic website. Okay. Yeah. This is the website of Amazon, right? Here, the content can be changed. It is not fixed. Content is not fixed in dynamic website. Content can be changed according to the user input. Suppose we can see there are so many products. Suppose there is a product and there is something written about the product. But after the purchasing of product by the user, if user are putting the review, they are giving the review about that particular product, and they are writing like that, this product is very useful, this is very important for us, and the quality of product is very good. So according to the user input, the review will be changed and it will show like Amazon choice product and the most popular product of this website, like that. So these are the social media website and e-commerce website, like that. These are the example of dynamic website, and here the contents are not fixed. It changes according to the user input, right? Till here, if all of you are clear
Yes,
right
ma'am.
now,
Yes,
till
yes.
here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Thank
Okay,
you.
okay, done.
Okay. After that, we will look into the URL part. Okay. In URL, the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator, right? So I want to show you all. See, this is the 1 minute. I'm showing you all. See, I have opened the website of Yati, right? At the top, you can see, I'm just going to select this. All of you are able to see this?
Yes.
I have just selected the website of Yati.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, the URL is basically the address to search or surf any website. Okay, right? It is the address. Without this address, we are not able to search any website. And this address we have to put on web browser. So web browser is the platform where we can search any website. And for the search any website, we have to put the URL, and URL is just an address. Okay, in URL is just an address to find any and to search any website. Without this address, we will not be able to find any website. Okay, so the URL
Hello.
has.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me.
Sorry for interrupting. Actually, my Zoom is creating a problem, so I have to leave the meeting and rejoin it again. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
No
You
problem.
can do that.
You can do that.
URL. I was just talking about the URL. So there are many structure of URL. Just one structure is HTTP and HTTPS. Just look at my cursor. HTTP, HTTPS. And after that, there is www.yatiacademy.com. This is known as domain name. Okay. In domain name also, we can categorize the main domain and subdomain. And after that, after domain, there is something written here. So it is known as path and query. In 4 structure, mainly URL is defined. First of all, we will look into the protocol. This is known as protocol. Okay, HTTP and HTTPS is protocol. HTTP, the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And the HTTPS is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. And it has the name secure, so it is a highly secure website. So Yati Academy is the highly secure website. If you will find only HTTP, it means this website is not secured one. I want to show you the one HTTP website also. So, okay. Yeah. You can see this website. This is the, here it is written not secure. Okay. The HTTP website. So basic difference between HTTP and HTTPS is secure or not secure. Okay. Now,
So wherever
why?
you have to make transactions, you have to use HTTPS website. Unless until you don't see that S, please don't make any transactions on that site. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. HTTPS, why now question arises, why HTTPS is secured and HTTP is not secure? HTTPS is secured when we send any message to the other person, it goes in a encrypted way. But in HTTP, when we send any message, it goes in a plain text. So in HTTP, in between the sender and receiver, anyone can steal the data. In HTTP, anyone can steal the data because it is going in the plain text, right? And in HTTPS, if we are sending the message to a person, it will go in a encrypted way. So no one can steal the message in between the sender and receiver. This is the main basic difference. And the example of HTTP website are like some informational site and some blogging site like that. And the example of HTTPS, these are the highly secure. So example of this HTTPS website are like your social media website, e-commerce website, banking sector website, government official website like that. After that, we will come to the domain part. Just after the protocol, this HTTPS, you can see, just look at my cursor. This is the domain part, okay? In domain, this shows basically the host. Who is the host? Who is the, it is known as, the domain is basically known as the server identifier. Which server is hosting this website? So with the domain, we can find out we can identify the server name also. I just want to show you one example. Okay. Here you can see the National Geography website. It's suppose you have the website of www.google.com, right? This is the domain name. And in one domain, we can create many subdomains like mail.google.com, support.google.com, like also news.google.com. So the main domain is google.com, and there are many subdomains like mail.google.com, support.google.com, news.google.com, like that. So it is not required every time. If we have purchased one domain, in one domain we can create many subdomains. So it is just for if you want to purchase any domain, just one time registration is required, and after that you can create so many subdomain. This is required because if you want to segregate your all the things in a different things, suppose you have a domain and you want to segregate a different sector website, so you can create the subdomain. So it is just used to segregate and keep record in a proper way. After that, there is a path and query. Just 1 minute. Yeah, there is a path and query. Path
There is some voice from your background. Can you please check that?
No, ma'am. Right now, no background noise. It's coming.
Somebody is reading as it is humming sound. Kind
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, my child has started reading right now.
Okay.
Betu. So sorry for that
No problem.
disturbance. Okay. After that, path and query. Path actually just define and it's make us clear about the particular address and specific address you can say, and the query is just give us the additional address. So in this way we can see the structure of all the protocol. The structure are protocol, the structure of URL. The structure is number one is protocol, then domain, then path, and after that query. This is all about URL. And after that, there is web server. Web server. Now, I want to ask from you all till here, if you have any doubt and if you want to tell me what is server also, web server, then you can tell me right now. Anybody?
So if you have query, please
Server.
either
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll tell you
Server.
the web server. I'll
Yeah,
tell you. If you want to share also, if you have any idea about the web server, you can also share us.
Yeah, WebSer is a system where we can install the applications to take the information from the server to access this kind of applications from one to another.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. But your definition is perfect. So I also want to put one definition for you all in a simple language. So web server is basically a software and hardware. Web server can be both software and hardware. Okay, and that stores and process and deliver the web pages to the user. In simple, in very layman language, we can understand web server is like our house, right? ये हमारा एक घर है. In this, we have different room like website, and in different room, if we have the bedroom, we have the all the materials of bedroom like bed, sofa, like that. Okay, so these bedrooms have all the materials. These are the web pages. So to control all these things, web server. After that, there is a room like website, and in website there are so many materials, required materials. These are the web pages. This is the simple definition of web server, website, and web pages. Got everyone?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now there are very famous web server, that is Google Cloud, Apache, Microsoft, and Nixon, like that. These are some famous web server. So this is all about what is web browser, what is web server, what is URL, what is website. So thank you for this term. And now, right now, I just want to show you the how to go to the setting part of Google Chrome.
Yeah, excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, can you show the link? You said the URL HTTPS domain.
Yeah.
Can you show that link?
Okay, fine. I show you all the.
Yati link.
Yeah.
Yati Academy link.
I'm just opening. Okay, 1 minute. This one.
Yeah, courses is the in slash is there, yes.
Yeah.
.com. I think
After
It's a subdomain.
Yeah, no.
these are
This is-
subdomain.
Yeah, this is subdomain. But after that, there is something written product, this one.
Yeah.
That comes under path and query. Okay.
This is query.
This represent as the specific location in the server. Okay.
Actually, where we put a filter. If you go to any site, है ना, purchasing वाली में अपन filters जो लगाते हैं, and that comes into the query part, I think so.
Yeah, right.
So these three courses and products and this link some blah blah blah. These are the subdomains. Yes.
These are the subdomains where you
Yeah.
go and search the particular link to the content.
that is the path. That is not the subdomain. Okay, listen to me. In a domain, we have subdomain like www dot is your subdomain. Okay, suppose I purchase. What domain I have purchased? Yati Live domain I have purchased. YatiLive.com. This is our domain that we have purchased. Now I have paid like huge amount of money for this domain, suppose, and I want to open my academy also. I want to make my landing page also. I want to make a library also. So for every work, I cannot go and buy separate domain. So in that case, what we will do, whatever domain we have purchased, तो पहला हम क्या बना देंगे, www.yati.live बना देंगे. ये हमारी मेन वेबसाइट हो गई. अब हम अपनी एकेडमी के लिए बना देंगे ac.yati.live. ये हमारी एकेडमी की वेबसाइट हो गई. अब मैं एक बनाऊंगी अपनी लाइब्रेरी या लैंडिंग पेज के लिए, तो मैं क्या बना दूंगी, lp.yati.live. समझ में आया? तो जब आप कोच बनोगे तो आपको इतने सारे पैसे, एक मतलब जब आप कोच बनते हो तो आपको बहुत सारे लोगों को डिफरेंट काम के लिए डिफरेंट वेबसाइट्स होनी चाहिए आपके पास, राइट? तो उस केस में आप ये सब डोमेन का यूज करोगे. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन?
Okay, ma'am.
As
Now,
I also told you all the example of Google. So www.google.com is a website, a domain, main domain. Okay, and in main domain we have created the Google created, not we have created. They have created the many subdomain like news.google.com.
Absolutely. ठीक है, तो
And mail.google.com like
So I
that.
think so it is clear, Seema. Let's move on to the next topic. Is it clear, everyone? Please write down. If you have doubts, still have doubts,
ma'am.
write down D.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Very good.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Now I
excuse
have
me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
I wanted the full form. Ma'am was telling hypertake of HTTP.
Yeah, hypertext transfer protocol. Hypertext
Protocol.
transfer
Transfer
protocol is
protocol.
HTTP. And for HTTPS, it is hypertext transfer protocol secure. Right? Clear to
Great.
you?
Yeah, excuse.
Please write down D if you have doubt. No, instead of asking like this, so we'll understand who is asking the doubt. Okay? Because she's sharing the screen, so we won't be able to understand who is asking this doubt. So please write down D if you have any questions. All right, I think so it's clear. Seema, we can move forward.
Okay, fine. So again, I have open the fresh browser, the Google Chrome, and a screen of Google Chrome. After that, you can see there is a top right, there is a 3 dot. Just look at my cursor, everyone. There's a 3 dot. When you click on 3 dots, you'll find this screen will appear. Okay. Here at the very top, you can see new tab, new window, and new cognito window. So just I will explain you all one by one, these 3 things. Now, new window. When you open, when you click on any web browser, when you open a web browser, you find a screen. As I click on the Google Chrome, so I found this screen. This is known as window. The first screen which is open on the web browser, it is known as window. In window, you can search any website, right? You can put here, just look at my cursor, you can here put any website name, URL of website, and you can search any website. But if you want to search multiple websites at a time, then it is required to open the new tab. Suppose I have opened something. In this, I'm just going to open Yati Academy. After that, if I want to open another one, that is YouTube, like that. So in this way, you can open the different tab, and at the same time, at the same window, you can open the different tab, different website, you can visit it. So there are 3 ways to open the different tab. Number 1, just click on the +1. After that, from here also, you can just, if you click here, you can open the new tab. If you want to go with the shortcut, so what you have to do, you have to do the Control + T.
Control T.
So, yeah, new tab will be open. If you want to close this new tab, you can close from this cross one. Okay. If you want to close this with the shortcut key, you can simply do Control + W. Okay. 1 minute. Yeah. This one. Control plus W. So now it's at close. If so, this is the way how to open a window, how to open a tab, and how to close this window and tab, and what are the use of this window and tab, right? After that, there is one, this is new incognito window. So if simply you can click here, you can be able to open your new cognito window like this. If you want to close, you can close from here. If you want to close this, is Control plus W, you can close. So again, I want to show you, there is a shortcut for open the new cognito window also. So Control plus Shift plus N. So with this shortcut also, you can open the new cognito window, right? Now, one by one, I want to I want to explain you all what is new cognito window. This is the window where you can keep your all the search separate. Suppose at a home, there are 2 to 3 persons using the same laptop, and you don't want to share your all the searches to other members of your family, and in office also, if your laptop is on sharing mode. So you can use this incognito mode. Here, what you will search, it will be very, very private. After that, if anybody is using your laptop, they cannot be search your all the things, what you have searched earlier in the history and download part. Okay. So this is very, if you want to keep your all the things private, so you can use this private one, incognito window, right? So this is all about new tab, new window, new incognito window, and all the technical words which I have told you earlier. Now rest the topic will take by Deepa. So thank you all till here. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
No
you,
doubt.
Seema. Thank
No
you.
doubt.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.